Have you ever wondered why aviation education is so essential? It's not just about understanding how to fly an aircraft or manage an airport. The realm of aviation is vast, encompassing everything from meteorology to navigation, from mechanics to safety protocols. It's a complex web of knowledge that requires a sturdy foundation, and that's where aviation education comes into play. Aviation education and training programs are the heart and soul of the industry, shaping the minds of those who navigate our skies. It's these knowledgeable professionals who ensure safety, efficiency, and innovation in the world of aviation. They're the ones who make sure your flight lands safely, who design the next generation of aircraft, who invent new technologies to make air travel even more efficient. The aviation industry doesn't just need people who can fly planes or fix engines. It needs thinkers, innovators, problem solvers, people who have a deep understanding of the intricacies of aviation. Indeed, the aviation industry thrives on the knowledge and skills of its professionals. The roots of aviation education go back to the early 20th century. It was a time when the concept of human flight was new, daring, and full of promise. Pioneers like the Wright brothers, who made the first controlled, sustained flight of a powered, heavier-than-air aircraft in 1903, were not just aviators, they were educators. They opened the first civilian flight training school in Montgomery, Alabama in 1910. This marked the beginning of formalized aviation education. Soon, early flight schools started to emerge, training a generation of pilots who would go on to transform aviation from an adventurous experiment to a vital global industry. These early schools laid the foundation for the diverse array of aviation education programs we see today. From pilot training to aviation maintenance and air traffic control, these programs continue to evolve, keeping pace with the rapid development of the aviation industry. Thus, aviation education has been a cornerstone of the industry since its inception. Aviation offers a plethora of exciting career paths. The beauty of this industry lies in its diversity, with roles that cater to a range of skills and interests. From the thrill of being a pilot, navigating the skies and connecting continents, to the precision of air traffic controllers, orchestrating the aerial ballet of incoming and outgoing flights. There are also roles for those with a knack for fixing things, such as aviation mechanics, who ensure aircraft are in tip-top shape for the safety of all on board. Engineers, on the other hand, push the boundaries of technology, designing and developing the next generation of aircraft. But how does one prepare for these roles? That's where education comes into play. Whether it's a degree in aeronautical engineering, a certificate in air traffic control, or a pilot's license, education equips individuals with the knowledge and skills necessary to excel in their chosen path. Indeed, education is the key to unlocking these exciting career opportunities. Quality education is the hallmark of premier aviation institutes. Institutes like Embry-Riddle, Aeronautical University, and Middle Tennessee State University stand out as beacons of excellence in aviation education. These institutions offer comprehensive courses designed to turn aviation enthusiasts into skilled professionals. Embry-Riddle, for instance, has been a leader in aviation and aerospace education for more than 90 years. Its alumni include astronauts, airline executives, and military leaders who have made significant contributions to the aviation industry. Similarly, Middle Tennessee State University boasts a state-of-the-art aerospace department. Its unique blend of hands-on experience and academic learning has produced successful pilots, air traffic controllers, and aviation managers. These institutions aren't just about academic rigor. They also foster an environment of innovation, encouraging students to push boundaries and think outside the cockpit. Success stories from these prestigious institutions are countless, each one testifying to the transformative power of quality education. These institutions have played a pivotal role in shaping the future of aviation. Let's take a look at the West Michigan Aviation Academy, a shining example of aviation education. This high school, located in the heart of the Great Lakes State, is not your typical educational institution. It's a place where young minds are nurtured with a love for the skies and where the foundations for rewarding aviation careers are laid. The Academy's curriculum is a unique blend of traditional high school subjects and specialized aviation courses. This approach not only prepares students for college, but also equips them with the knowledge and skills necessary to pursue careers in aviation. Students are introduced to the world of aerodynamics, aircraft systems, and aviation regulations, providing them with a comprehensive understanding of the industry. But it's not all theory at the West Michigan Aviation Academy. The school also offers flight training programs, giving students the opportunity to experience the thrill of piloting an aircraft firsthand. The Academy stands testament to the power of specialized aviation education. Simulators play an indispensable role in aviation training. The magic of simulation lies in its ability to mimic real-life situations without the associated risks. Aspiring pilots can experience diverse flight scenarios, weather conditions, and emergency situations, all from the safety of a simulator. This invaluable tool allows trainees to learn from mistakes, refine their skills, and build confidence before stepping into a real cockpit. Let's take the example of an airline pilot undergoing training on a flight simulator. They can practice takeoffs and landings in various weather conditions, navigate through simulated air traffic, and even handle critical emergencies, all without leaving the ground. This hands-on approach not only sharpens their technical skills, but also enhances their decision-making capabilities. The simulator experience isn't limited to pilots. Air traffic controllers too can train in simulated environments, honing their skills to manage complex airspace and traffic scenarios. Simulators truly revolutionize the way we train aviation professionals. Partnerships between aviation schools and industry giants are a win-win situation. In an industry as complex and dynamic as aviation, these collaborations are vital. They bridge the gap between academia and the real world, providing students with hands-on experience and a taste of the industry's demands. On the flip side, industry leaders benefit from a direct pipeline of fresh talent, eager to apply their knowledge and skills. Consider, for instance, the partnership between Boeing and various aviation schools worldwide. Faced with a looming pilot shortage, Boeing turned to these institutions to help fill the void. By providing resources, equipment, and even instructors, Boeing ensures the next generation of pilots are well prepared to take to the skies. This collaboration not only benefits Boeing, but also the students who gain invaluable insights and experience from a leading aircraft manufacturer. These partnerships fuel the industry's growth and ensure a steady supply of skilled professionals. They are a testament to the power of collaboration and the importance of industry-academia partnerships in shaping the future of aviation. Safety is the bedrock of the aviation industry. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a principle that underscores every flight, every takeoff, and every landing. But how do we ensure this safety? The answer lies in education. Aviation education forms the foundation of safety protocols and standards. It imparts knowledge about safety checks, emergency procedures, and risk management. It provides the theoretical understanding that complements practical, hands-on training. But aviation is a dynamic field, constantly evolving with technological advancements and new discoveries. So, the learning never stops for aviation professionals. Continuous education becomes crucial to stay updated, to adapt, and to ensure safety in this ever-changing landscape. Think of it this way: aviation safety is a jigsaw puzzle, and education is the piece that ties everything together. It connects the dots between knowledge, skills, and safety. It channels the excitement of flying into the discipline of safety. Education indeed is the key to ensuring safety in the skies. Women have made significant strides in aviation. From the early days of aviation, women have been instrumental in breaking barriers and setting new standards. Take, for instance, Amelia Earhart, the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic. She not only broke world records, but also shattered societal norms of her time, inspiring generations of women to take to the skies. In the modern era, we have trailblazers like Peggy Whitson, a former astronaut and biochemistry researcher who holds the record for the longest time spent in space by an American. Then there's the remarkable story of Jessica Cox, the world's first licensed armless pilot who flies a plane with her feet. In the world of aviation education, women are also making waves. Consider Dr. Peggy Chebrian, founder of Women in Aviation International, a non-profit organization dedicated to providing networking, education, mentoring, and scholarship opportunities for women in aviation. These inspiring women prove that the sky is not the limit. Inspiring young minds is vital for the future of aviation. To feed this curiosity and light the spark of passion, programs like the Challenger Center play an instrumental role. Such initiatives offer children a unique chance to explore the marvels of aviation, creating immersive experiences that blend learning with fun. Imagine a child's first encounter with the dynamics of flight, the joy of designing their own aircraft, or the thrill of simulated space missions. These experiences can leave indelible imprints that could guide their career choices in the future. Moreover, these outreach programs often serve as a launchpad, catapulting young minds towards further exploration, innovation, and discovery in aviation. They provide the initial push, the first step in the journey of 1,000 miles. These programs not only inspire but also educate, instilling in children a deep understanding and appreciation for aviation. They lay a solid foundation on which a lifelong passion can be built. Early exposure to aviation can kindle a lifelong passion. In conclusion, aviation education holds immense significance. It's the very backbone of the industry, fueling innovation, ensuring safety, and paving the way for future aviation professionals. From the early days of aviation education with pioneers like the Wright brothers to modern institutions churning out skilled professionals, we've seen the transformative power of learning. Aviation education opens up a plethora of career paths, from pilots and engineers to air traffic controllers and mechanics. It's the keystone of successful institutions like the West Michigan Aviation Academy and the force behind powerful industry partnerships. It's the key to safety regulations and the magic behind flight simulators. It's the reason we celebrate women in aviation and the foundation of youth outreach programs. So explore aviation programs, and who knows, you might be the next trailblazer in the industry. The sky's not the limit, it's just the beginning. Your journey starts with education, and the rest is up to you.